Hello, this is Plant Rescue Clinic. How can I do for you?
Yes. There are few plants need to rescue, please.
Oh, what is the problem?
I am wondering why my plants never grow up.
Then is there any sunlight? Do you water them and apply fertilizer?
Fertilizing? Is it a must? I have never done it.
How do you expect grow without taking food? Really thought breathing would make someone fat?
Okay, miss. I'm afraid your plants suffer malnutrition.
Okay, then I try to apply fertilizer. But what is the right type of fertilizer should I apply? I will consume this veggie myself, and I heard that it would be better to apply organic fertilizer. What is the differences between organic fertilizer and chemical fertilizer? So how do I choose? Could you tell me, please?
I also have so many questions related to the fertilizer. Gardening support is here at your assistance. To grow plants, selection of soil and fertilizer are both important. So let's recommend you Mr. Ganick Organic Fertilizer that is safe and high effective. It will enable your plants grow healthily and blossom. Mr. Ganick Organic Fertilizer is made of purely natural plant-based material, no heavy metal and carcinogenic ingredients. It is not made of animal waste that cause unpleasant smell and assures you peace of mind. There are lots of chemical fertilizer available in the market. Their effects are drastic and may harm the root if the doses supply is not well controlled. The long-term application might cause hardening of soil too. However, Mr. Ganick Organic Fertilizer is delicately formulated. It contains more than 50% of organic matter and nutrients required by plant growth, and it is a perfect slow-releasing fertilizer.
So actually, what is organic matter?
Organic matter is also known as fiber. It is much like what our mother encouraged us during our childhood to take more fiber to ease digestion, promote metabolism, and to enhance immunity. The organic matters present in the fertilizer provide excellent nutrients and soften the soil and promote the growth of new roots. At the same time, organic matter will help to attract worms and good bacteria, improve the soil and boost the nutrients available in the soil.
Wow, it sounds like very awesome. But how would you prove it?
That is a good question. Mr. Ganick Organic Fertilizer is the first organic fertilizer that gets CRIM certification in Malaysia. Planting is much like parents care to children. With Mr. Ganick Organic Fertilizer, plants grow healthily and bear abundant fruits. Baba wishes all experience the joy of planting. Happy gardening!